Hello, my name is Caroline French and I would like to introduce you to my new ebook, Modern Bead Loom Weaving. It's available through the publishers Vive Books and you can get it as a digital download or as a CD. So I invite you to come along with me on my journey of bead loom weaving. Many times I've had people say to me that the thing that puts them off most with weaving beads on a loom is knowing what to do with the warp ends once the piece has been removed from the loom. With the help of the ebook and the videos within that book, I can take you through a step-by-step process of how to easily manage these warp ends. It's a process that is not anywhere near as daunting as you think it's going to be. So I can take you from this hairy little beast here with all the warp ends, and I can show you exactly how to make a beautiful piece of jewellery, a pendant, and we have some bracelets as well. And in the book I can show you also how to produce all these beautiful edges.